Your iPhone has an easy way to hide apps from the home screen while still keeping those apps installed and functional on your phone. One simple way to hide an app from the home screen is to tap and hold any app and choose Remove App. Then from this pop-up, we'll choose Remove from Home Screen. That allows your iPhone to keep the app installed while removing it from the home screen view. Apps that were removed from the home screen will be accessible through the app library, which you can access by swiping all the way to the right on your home screen. To add an app back to your home screen, you'll simply locate it in the app library, tap and hold it, and choose Add to Home Screen. There's also a way to hide an app so it doesn't show in the app library either, but still remains installed on your phone. I have a full video for that, which I'll link below, but basically the process is this. Tap and hold an app, choose Require Face ID, and then choose Hide and Require Face ID. This will remove the app from the home screen, and it won't be visible in your app library either. You'll access the app by going to the app library and scrolling down to the hidden folder, and then view your hidden apps by authenticating with a Face ID or passcode. And that is how you hide apps from your home screen. Click that like button if this was helpful, and check out my iOS playlist for more useful and short guides like this.